today we have a super easy DIY that's going to help keep you grounded even when you're doing what I consider to be one of the most dreaded tasks in household cleaning, and that is laundry. My name is Jasmine Bryant and I am a certified holistic health coach. I am also a global essential oils educator, and basically that just means my job is to advocate for your health and the health of your family and to help you to be empowered to do the same advocating. So here's all you need for these dryer sheets. I mean, it's so simple, it will really blow your mind. So an old t-shirt that you don't mind cutting up. You need some vinegar. You need a bowl to mix. You need some distilled water. And you need a vessel to put your dryer sheets in. I love to use upcycled jars, so this is an old pasta jar that we're going to use, and some essential oils.